What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about this deduction na nangyari sa account natin, which is yung service CHG SESGen. Ito yung nag-reflect sa transaction history natin guys sa bank account natin sa BDO. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin neto? Bakit tayo na-charge ng ganito? Which is service CHG SES-Gen. So ano nga ba? Bakit ganun yung nangyari? At saka bakit naging zero balance yung savings account ninyo sa BDO? Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ayan, service CHG SES-Gen, negative PHP 40.05. So kung mapapansin nyo guys, yan yung last amount or yan na lang yung natira sa balance ng account ko. Tapos, kinain nila yan. Then nakikita nyo naman, ayan, available balance, current balance is 00 na siya. Then ngayon, since na-deduct yan at nag-00 yung balance ng account ninyo, automatic yun, mag-close. Kaya naman, dapat maging aware kayo guys sa bank accounts natin sa BDO. Kasi may mga ganitong scenario. Ngayon, ni-explain ko sa inyo kung paano to nangyayari. So kung makikita nyo guys, BDO Transaction Service CHG SESGen is likely a BDO charge for a system-generated service fee, such as a fee for falling below the required average daily balance or ADB on a savings or deposit account. It could be also a charge for other automated services or a transaction-related fee. If this is unexpected, check your account's terms and conditions or contact BDO Customer Service for clarification. So ito guys, nice kong i-clarify sa inyo yung ganitong transaction. So kapag nakakita kayo ng ganitong transaction guys, ibig sabihin, bumaba sa required daily balance yung account ninyo. Required daily balance. Ibig sabihin, halimbawa, yung inopen ninyong savings account is yung ATM lang. 2,000 pesos yung required average daily balance nun. Tapos kung passbook, 10,000 yon. Kung checking is 5,000. So ngayon, halimbawa, pagpalagay natin, 2,000 pesos lang yung required balance ng account ninyo, which is yung ATM lang. Ganito yung nangyayari guys, yung iba, kasi parang nauubos lang yung laman ng pera nila. It's because, tulad sa checking account, 10,000 yung maintaining balance nun, which is maintaining. So, kailangan i-maintain nyo yun, kasi kapag hindi nyo yun na-maintain, may kaakibat yun na consequences or kahihinatnan. Kasi, sinasabi yan ng bangko guys na dapat guys, dapat sir or ma'am, ni-maintain ninyo yung ganitong amount. Kasi, mag-charge si bangko ng service charge kapag bumagsak sa required daily balance. Kasi guys, kapag yung 2,000 pesos is bumaba, ibig sabihin, halimbawa, 1,900 kayong natira. So, mababa siya sa 2,000 pesos. So, yung ATM savings account na yun, is matcha-charge ng 300 pesos every month. Hanggang sa maubos yung laman ng account ninyo kapag hindi ninyo na punan yung pangangailangang balance ng account nyo. Tulad sa pinakita ko, tulad nito, negative 40 pesos. Yan na lang yung last amount ng savings account nyo sa BDO. At inubos na. After this, paka-charge nito, magko-close na yung BDO savings account ninyo. Kaya naman guys, di ba sa passbook, kapag yung balance nun is 9,000 na lang, nagagalit yung iba, nagko-complain kasi ganito, magnanakaw si BDO, kinukuha yung pera ng depositor nila. Kasi guys, hindi nyo binasa yung terms and conditions ni BDO. Kaya naman guys, dapat maging aware kayo na yung 10,000 pesos is kailangan i-maintain yun sa passbook. Sa passbook account yun. Yung parang may notebook na ibibigay si BDO. Sa ATM naman is 2,000 pesos lang. So ngayon guys, kung hindi nyo kayang i-maintain yung 10,000 pesos, tip ko na lang sa inyo. Much better na mag-open kayo ng savings account na mababa lang yung required average daily balance. Which is yung ATM lang. Kasi 2,000 lang. Ganun yung accounts ko sa kanila eh. Tapos okay lang naman yung kapag okay na yung pera mo, pwede naman mag-upgrade or mag-another savings account kayo. Okay lang naman yun. So ngayon guys, pag-uusapan natin yung possible causes. Ito yung breakdown. para malaman nyo kung kailan mag-charge si BDO ng 300 pesos o itong transaction na to, Service CHG Ses-Gen, kapag bumaba sa required average daily balance yung account niyo within 2 months. Magkasunod na buwan yun, guys. So ngayon, kung kailangan nyo talaga gamitin yung minimum balance or yung required balance, make sure lang, guys, na papalitan nyo siya few days after. Kasi pag na-detect na yan, 60 days na magkasunod-sunod na mababa sa required balance, kung sa ATM is 2,000, sa passbook is 10,000, doon na sila magsisimula mag-charge ng 300 pesos hanggang sa maubos yung balance ng account ninyo. Then ngayon, isa-isahin natin yung possible causes for the charge. Una is yung maintaining balance fee, tulad ng sabi ko. If your account's balance falls below the required average daily balance for 2 consecutive months, BDO will charge a penalty fee. Consider yon as penalty fee. Automated service fees. This could be a charge for an automated service you've enrolled in, such as the auto-debit charge facility for credit cards. So ngayon, guys, kapag may mga naka-auto-charge kayong credit card sa billing ninyo, possible na yun yung reason. Then next is system-generated transaction fee. The charge might be from a general system-generated service related to your account. And correct transaction reversal. So in the case of a failed InstaPay transactions, a charge might appear before the reversal is posted to your account within few banking days. Mamaya may incorrect transfer kayo or errors, may ganong eksena, pero okay lang yun. Pero kadalasan, guys, is sa nagbaba sa required daily balance yung reason. So ano yung gagawin nyo, guys, kapag nakakita kayo ng ganitong transaction sa savings account ninyo sa BDO? Review your account activity. Check your BDO account online to see if there's a specific transaction that corresponds to the charge. So ngayon, guys, all you have to do is to open your BDO online. Since naka-enroll yung account ninyo sa BDO online, i-check niyo kung ano yung nangyayari. Tapos, check your account's minimum balance requirements. Ito yung pinaka-importante. See if you have fallen below the required average daily balance, which can trigger a fee. So, check niyo, guys, baka kasi nakulangan yung required balance sa account niyo sa BDO. Mag-charge talaga siya after 2 months na magkasunod na mababa sa required daily balance. Then, pangatlo is call BDO customer service. For a definite answer, contact BDO immediately at 02-8888-0000 to have them explain the charge. So ngayon, guys, the main thing to do para maklaruhan kayo, tawagan ninyo yung BDO customer service. Tanungin nyo sila kung bakit ganun yung nangyari. Kasi sila lang talaga yung nakakaalam ng lahat. Then ngayon, kapag nakita nila, guys, na may error sa end nila, i-refund nila yon. Mabait naman si BDO, guys, actually. Marunong naman sila umintindi. Ngayon, kung hindi nyo lang talaga na-gets or nabasa yung terms and conditions nila, sasabihin nyo talaga na may fraud na nangyari, may inside job, something ganyan. Kasi parang unauthorized yung dating ng transaction na yun. It's because wala kayong kaalam-alam. Chinarge lang kayo ng ganun na lang. Kaya naman dapat, guys, before kayo mag-agree, basahin nyo muna yung pinapapirmahan sa inyo, before kayo mag-open ng account, alamin nyo muna kung para saan to, para saan, para walang gulatan at the end of the day. So I think that's all for now. So sana may na-share ko. It's me again, Joseph Kate. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!